Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you a couple of things in Kali Linux. We really appreciate that you with us today, and we appreciate your support. So what we're going to do today is to show you three services which we're going to allow or give permission to be used here. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also comment if you have something, and also don't forget to share our content. It will really help our channel to grow. Okay, now we're gonna go into that. We're gonna do what? We're gonna permit network traffic for a specific service or port to allow users to connect to. We're going to allow users to connect to SSH, HTTP, and IMAP. So first of all, we're going to go to Google and show you what we're looking for. What we're going to see first. Go to google.com, and since we talked about what? We talked about IMAP. No, we talked about SSH, HTTP, and IMAP. So what we're gonna do, go to HTTP, look for SSH port. Which port is SSH? No, we don't want that. Okay, you see, port for SSH is port 1 for what? Let me get you something. What is the port number of SSH? Okay. Yes, Google tells us that SSH port is 22. We're gonna do what? We're gonna allow that users to connect to that port 22. Also, we're gonna look for which port? HTTP. I'm doing this for you to know each and every port you're looking for. Just type in that. HTTP is port 80. Also, we're gonna allow it. So we go to port. We're gonna look into port what? Port IMAP. We're gonna look from IMAP. Yeah, port. No, I don't think that is true. It should be port 143. So I don't understand. Is IMAP. I really get confused here, but let me get you the right port I'm looking for. Port 143 is for what? Yeah, SMTP and IMAP. So that port, the one they show us, I don't understand it, but this is the port I'll tell you. So they tell you that description: IMAP protocol is used by email clients for the retrieval of their emails from designated email post office servers. IMAP on port 143 is the newer of the two. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, here you saw another port. We're not going to do, maybe that was the old port, but this is the port I know we use. So please open your Kali Linux. your terminal. Then we're gonna start allowing ports one by one. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and say IP tables, but you have to be sudo. This is small. What? IP tables. IP tables. Here you have to make sure that you don't make a mistake. space dash capital A dash input dash minus small m dash state, then space dash dash state dash new, which is capital new, dash space dash small p space t cp dash no space dash dash d port space, then you put the port number. It's going to be port 22. You remember what the 22 stands for? It stands for SSH. So we're going to allow the SSH. So 22 space space minus j, small j, then space accept, small capital, all in caps, accept. So we're going to look at our command before we run it. It's IP tables space dash minus a space input space minus small m space state space dash dash state, small state again, then space new, capital letters, the word new, space minus capital no small t space tcp space minus no dash dash d port space 22 space minus j space accept. So we're gonna say enter. Yes, so we did what? That's the command to allow the SSH people to other users to connect to SSH. So we're gonna run another command which gonna allow the other users to use the HTTP. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna say IP tables, all small letters, IP tables, okay, space capital minus capital A space input space minus small m space state space dash dash state space new, which is capital M space minus small p space tcp space minus d port space 22 space minus j space no 22, it shouldn't be 22. This port is port 80 space minus j space accept. Then you enter. Okay, tables help for more information. Port 80 argument. There's something wrong here. Why it says argument new what? Okay, this should be the command. Let me copy the first command, then I'm gonna choose. Maybe I did some mistake. I made some mistakes here. I get it right, didn't get it right, I don't know why. Okay, let me run it again. It say try tables minus yes. Walaikum salam. Then say enter. Then enter. Then I'm sorry guys about this, but then enter. Then you go in. Yeah, then you go in. Somebody came in here and disturbed me, so I'm sorry. The command worked so well. So the previous one, there's a mistake I think I made here, but you run this one to finish that. Okay, after that we're gonna run the last command. This one was for what they call HTTP. The first one was for SSH. Then we're gonna run the last one, which is gonna be for IMAP. So IMAP is gonna be the same thing. You're gonna just change the port. So if you run the first command, and it worked well, then that is okay. Okay, let me get you. Because you're not going to do what? I'm not going to do that again. To type is gonna take time. I'm gonna copy and paste. Yeah, do the same thing, but change the port to be 143. Once you copy that, then you enter. After entering that, then it's fine. So then after that, you're gonna do what? You're gonna run for me this command. I'm gonna give you another command to run. Okay, that's gonna check for you some stuff. Yes, you can see now that these ports are allowed, 22, 80 and 144. So this last command checks you the status. Now you see the status is there. It allows other users to use those ports. Guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and also comment if you have some comments. Yeah, see you in the next video.